Hello everyone, welcome to my garage, where classic cars are brought back to life. She deftly opened the oil drain plug and a dark stream of old oil flowed out. As the oil flowed out, she carefully cleaned the drain plug. Next, she reached in and removed the old oil filter and replaced it with a new one. Once the old oil was removed, she poured the new clean oil into a container and carefully poured it into the engine. Her next job was the driver's side door. Using a screwdriver, she removed the interior panel, the handles, and the trim to access the internal components. She then focused on the exterior handles, removing the old ones and installing new ones before reinstalling the door panels. Next, she tackled the front wheels. She placed a hydraulic jack under the axle and lifted the heavy truck. Using a heavy wrench, she quickly unscrewed the lug nuts. She pulled the heavy wheel off and rolled it aside. Then she began to disassemble the hub, removing the outer cap and the nuts holding the brake drum in place. Using a hammer and crowbar, she carefully disassembled the drum. With the hub and brake assembly exposed, she began the painstaking process of cleaning all the greased parts, wiping down the bearings and the inside of the drum, preparing everything for repair and reassembly.